Retire like a genius.
How to become a life settlement genius. What is a long-term care life settlement? Long-term care insurance is a viable option to help people pay for the expensive costs of long-term care if it's bought when a person is young and healthy. But for people who need care now and still own a life insurance policy, there are other options for them to consider. For the last 15 years, policy owners have paid millions of dollars in care using the long-term care life settlement. A long-term care life settlement gives a policy owner a way to liquidate their policy to pay for any type of care they want, including home care, assisted living, and memory care. Any form of life insurance policy will qualify, including term life. And once the policy owner settles their policy, they'll receive a lump sum payment they can take as cash, or it can be deposited into a long-term care benefit account. Similar to a health savings account, the LTC benefit is an irrevocable bank account set up to protect the money and make payments towards health and long-term care expenses. For a person with an immediate need for care, that would be 2 ADLs or more, or a terminal diagnosis, the funds from the LTC life settlement are tax-free. The benefit owner will be considered private pay for as long as the account is funded and can choose any form of care that they want as they're spending down the funds in the LTC benefit account.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.